Assalamualaikum and have a good day to our respected lecturer Madam Ida and to all viewers. My name is Aznim Hani. Today I'll be presenting the business overview of our business, Sweet Crumbs Bakery, for our ACC 116 project. In this presentation, I will briefly explain our business, the products we offer, and the scope of our business operations. Sweet Crumbs Bakery was established on 1st January 2026 and is owned by Nur Aisha Ahmad. The bakery is located in Seremban 3, Negeri Sembilan and specializes in producing freshly baked cupcakes and cookies using high-quality ingredients at affordable prices. Our goal is to provide fresh and delicious baked products while maintaining excellent customer service and consistent product quality. We mainly target UiTM students, local residents, office workers, and customers who are looking for desserts gifts for special occasions. The bakery operates from a rented commercial shop lot where all production activities, including baking, packaging, and storing the products, are carried out. To ensure the freshness and reduce food waste, we produce our products in small batches and follow a make-to-order system. Customers can place their orders through Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or by visiting the bakery. For this project, we selected two main products, which are vanilla cupcakes and double chocolate cookies. The vanilla cupcakes are soft and moist with vanilla buttercream frosting, while the double chocolate cookies are made with premium chocolate chips and packed in seal pouches to maintain their freshness. Both products are prepared using quality ingredients to ensure customer satisfaction. Lastly, Sweet Crumbs Bakery operates on a small scale with 3 employees. Every week, the bakery produces around 80 boxes of vanilla cupcakes and 100 packs of double chocolate cookies. Our daily operations include purchasing raw materials, baking packaging, managing customer orders, and promoting our product through social media. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amin Shakirin. Now I will continue to product costing methodology. Product costing is the process of identifying, recording, and allocating all costs involved in producing bakery product. This method is important because it helps the business to determine the actual production cost and control expense and set a suitable selling price to ensure profitability. Sweet Crumbs Bakery applies the job costing method in their production process. This method is suitable because each production batch is treated as a separate job where different costs such as direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead are collected and calculated individually. For Sweet Crumbs Bakery, each product batch required the different ingredients, production process, and labor effort. Therefore, job costing allows the bakery to accurately determine the cost of each batch instead of combining all of costs together. Furthermore, this method provides detailed cost information that helps the bakery to manage their expense, set appropriate selling price, and make a better business decision. The ability to track separate jobs with different costs make a job costing an effective method for Sweet Crumbs Bakery. So to conclude, job costing is an appropriate costing method Crumbs Bakery because it supports accurate cost calculation, effective cost control, and better profitability.
My name is Nur Adinin and I will be explaining the vanilla cupcake costing. For this product, one batch produces 6 cupcakes. The direct material cost is RM6.90, which includes the direct ingredients that can be directly traced in the production of vanilla cupcakes. For the direct labor, which is RM8, it covers the cost of wages for our baker and bakery assistant. And lastly, for the direct expenses, which is 25 cents. By adding the total amount of direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses, we will get the prime cost of RM50.15. Let's move on to the manufacturing and non-manufacturing overhead. For the manufacturing overhead, by adding the amount of indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expenses, we will get a total manufacturing overhead of RM4.91. The indirect labor includes the cleaning assistant as well as the electricity, water, and cleaning supplies for indirect expenses. For the non-manufacturing overhead, by adding the amount of marketing and delivery expenses, we will get a total amount of 70 cents per total non-manufacturing overhead. In order to calculate the total cost per batch, we need to add the prime cost, manufacturing overhead, as well as non-manufacturing overheads, which will give us the final cost of Rm 20 ringgit and 81 cents per batch. Lastly, for the cost and profit of vanilla cupcake, the total cost of Rm 20 ringgit and 81 cents is needed in order to produce one batch of 6 cupcakes. The selling price per batch is Rm 30 ringgit, which gives us the profit of Rm 9 ringgit and 19 cents. The cost per cupcake is Rm 3 ringgit and 47 cents, whilst the selling price per cupcake is Rm 5 ringgit. Based on this figure, the markup is 44%. That concludes the cost and profit for vanilla cupcakes. I will now pass to the next speaker.
My name is Narzati Adila, so I will continue with the product costing for our double chocolate cookies. For this product, one batch produced 12 cookies, and we will take a look at the prime cost first. The direct material cost is 32 ringgit and 32 cents, which is the highest cost because premium ingredients such as butter and chocolate chips are used to produce high quality cookies. The direct labor cost is 15 ringgit and 89 cents per batch, covering the wages of the baker and the bakery assistant who are directly involved in the production process. In addition, there is 2 ringgit of direct expenses for the mixer rental. After combining the direct materials, direct labor and direct expenses, the prime cost for one batch is 15 ringgit and 11. Besides the prime cost, we also need to consider the overhead cost. The manufacturing overhead totals is 5 ringgit and 48 cents. This includes the indirect materials, indirect labor and indirect expenses such as gas, electricity and water that supports the production process. In addition, the non-manufacturing overhead amounts to 1 ringgit and 95 cents per batch. These costs include packaging, delivery and marketing expenses. After adding all these costs together, the total cost to produce one batch of double chocolate cookies is 57 ringgit and 54 cents. So next, we will continue with the cost and profit for our double chocolate cookies. Based on the total cost of 57 ringgit and 54 cents, Sweet Crumbs Bakery applies the markup pricing method to determine the selling price. Each batch is sold for 78 ringgit, which is equivalent to 6 ringgit and 50 cents per cookie. This allows the bakery to earn a profit of 20 ringgit 46 cents per batch with a markup of approximately 36%. So, overall, this costing analysis shows how accurate cost calculations help the bakery set a suitable selling price while ensuring the business remains profitable. That's all from me, and I will pass it to Hannah.
Based on our costing analysis, we have proposed several recommendations for Sweet Crumbs Bakery. Firstly, the bakery should purchase raw materials in bulk to reduce ingredient costs and get supplier discounts. Secondly, preparing job cost cards for every production batch will help record production costs accurately and support better pricing decisions. Next, the bakery should minimize material waste by following standard recipes and proper inventory management. In addition, manufacturing overhead such as electricity and water should be monitored regularly to improve cost efficiency. The bakery should also review its selling prices according to changes in ingredient costs. Lastly, strengthening online marketing through social media can increase customer awareness and improve sales. In conclusion, this assignment has helped us understand how product costing is applied in a manufacturing business. By preparing job cost cards for vanilla cupcakes and double chocolate chip cookies, we learned how direct costs and overhead costs are calculated to determine the total production cost and selling price. Overall, accurate product costing enables businesses to control expenses, make better pricing decisions, and maintain long-term profitability.